Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the opening ceremony of the 31st ASEAN Summit and related summits. The President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Fellow leaders of ASEAN member states and dialogue partners, Vice President Maria Leonor Robredo, former Presidents Joseph Estrada and Gloria Macapagal Arroyo,